Today I am reviewing the Vaonis Vespera II X-Edition Smart Telescope with carbon fiber tripod. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Vaonis Vespera II X-Edition Smart Telescope with carbon fiber tripod represents a major leap forward in modern astronomy, especially for people who want breathtaking views of the night sky without the steep learning curve of traditional telescopes. This is not just a telescope. It's a fully automated, intelligent observing system designed for convenience, portability, and stunning astrophotography results. From the very first moment you unbox the Vespera II X-Edition, it's clear that Vaonis is targeting users who value premium design and effortless usability. The inclusion of a 3-section carbon fiber tripod immediately sets this edition apart. Carbon fiber is not only lightweight, but also extremely rigid, which means better vibration control and faster setup times. Whether you're observing from your backyard, a balcony, or a remote dark sky location, this tripod makes the entire system easy to carry, quick to deploy, and rock solid once positioned. At the heart of the Vespera II X-Edition is its 50mm refractor optics, which deliver impressive clarity and sharpness for a telescope of this size. While traditional telescopes often require manual alignment, focus adjustments, and a deep understanding of celestial coordinates, the Vespera II handles everything automatically. Once powered on and paired with the companion app, the telescope aligns itself, calibrates, and is ready to begin observing within minutes. This makes it ideal for beginners, casual stargazers, and even experienced astronomers who simply want a more relaxed observing experience. What truly makes the Vespera II special is its smart imaging technology. Instead of peering through an eyepiece, you view celestial objects digitally through your smartphone or tablet. The telescope uses real-time image stacking, gradually enhancing faint objects like nebulae, galaxies, and star clusters as you watch. Over time, details become sharper, colors become richer, and objects that are nearly invisible to the naked eye transform into vivid, detailed images. This is especially impressive for deep sky objects that usually require complex astrophotography setups. The built-in environmental monitoring, including a hygrometer sensor, adds another layer of intelligence. This feature helps protect the internal optics by monitoring humidity and environmental conditions, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. It's a small detail, but one that highlights how thoughtfully engineered this telescope really is, especially for long observation sessions or travel in varying climates. Portability is another standout strength. The Vespera II X-Edition is compact, lightweight, and comes with a durable hard-carrying case, making it easy to transport safely. Whether you're heading out for a camping trip, a star party, or simply storing it between sessions, the hard case provides excellent protection against bumps, dust, and moisture. This makes the telescope especially appealing to astronomers who enjoy traveling to darker skies for better views. From a usability standpoint, the companion app is intuitive and beginner-friendly. You can select celestial objects from a curated catalog, let the telescope automatically locate them, and then sit back as the image improves over time. The app also allows you to save and share images, making the Vespera II perfect for social media sharing, educational use, or personal astrophotography collections, all without needing advanced editing skills. Another important advantage is Vaonis' 3-year limited warranty, which provides long-term confidence in your investment. Smart telescopes are sophisticated devices, and knowing that the manufacturer stands behind the product for multiple years adds real peace of mind. In real-world use, the Vespera II X-Edition excels at making astronomy accessible and enjoyable. You don't need polar alignment, star charts, or technical expertise. You simply choose what you want to observe, and the telescope does the rest. This makes it perfect for families, educators, travelers, and anyone who wants professional-looking results with minimal effort. In conclusion, the Vaonis Vespera II X-Edition Smart Telescope is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to explore the universe in a modern, stress-free way. With its premium carbon fiber tripod, sharp optics, intelligent automation, environmental monitoring, and excellent portability, it delivers a truly next-generation stargazing experience. Whether you're a beginner discovering astronomy for the first time or a seasoned observer seeking convenience and elegance, the Vespera II X-Edition proves that powerful astronomy doesn't have to be complicated. If you're looking for a smart telescope that combines performance, portability, and simplicity, the Vaonis Vespera II X-Edition is absolutely worth your attention.